Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to check your reputation in Syndicates. In the beginning, let's go to menu and now go to reputation. Here you can check Pike Syndicate reputation, Crimson Dawn reputation and Hot Cartel reputation. Further in the game there will be last fourth Syndicate to unlock. As you can see in the bottom of the screen, we've got reputation level. For example, for Pike and Huts it is poor, and for Crimson Dawn it's good. The higher reputation, the better rewards for quests and easier access to some regions in the game. Keep in mind that the lower reputation it is, the quest lines will be blocked and also the syndicates will attack you. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.